So yeah, today we're going to be using a 4T, which is our multi-purpose product that we make here in Brisbane. Ryan actually is a big advocate of the 4T, loves it, uses it all the time. It's the only product he will use.
4T with no pop, mate.
With no pop. Pro pop. That's the one. So he's just going to do the application for the internal.
For anyone that doesn't know, the CanAm pumps have actually improved over the last 6 months. That's pretty thick. It'll be right. The pumps are actually suck a lot better. Not that they were bad before, but now they're just better.
So we're just applying the tape now.
Handle extends quite easily. And next will be your 75mm head. So a lot of people will probably use the 50. That's basically it. And obviously you leave that dry, but you know, let's pretend it's dry. Probably would have usually used different sized heads, but it's fine.
This is applying the final coat now. So.
See how this glazer goes. Seems dry. It.
Perfect internal. Hey, I'm Patrick from Plaster here. Just a quick show of our basic CanAm kit that we do now at the moment. So with the basic kit you get your applicator tube, and you also get your handle for your all your applicators, your glazings, twist lock handle, twist like that, twist again, locks in, be able to get the nice high reach, lock it, back down, easy as that. This kit, being a starter kit, comes with the 2-wheel internal applicator for the internals. It also comes with 2 glazing heads with the roller wheels, and also comes with a little flat applicator, good for just applying for your joins and that. We also have a Nicor plastic glazer, just really good in case you damage one of these, you've got a spare there to use. Also just a replacement rubbers and locking system for all your applicators.